What are you doing? You're showing off, aren't you?
Who's a handsome potato?
That's you.
Hello?
Hey, buddy.
Hello?
Morning to you, too.
No?
Stay out of the coffee.
Achoo!
Ding dong. Who's at the door?
I'm the captain now.
Ha! Thank you.
Cats have a way of turning the simplest moments into something special. A curious peek inside a bag, the leap for a feather, a lazy afternoon stretch. They investigate, splash, and wonder, all in their own quiet rhythm. And when the sun...
Look at that face. Absolutely owning the squeaky chili. Classic cat move. She absolutely meant to do that. Corgi joyride incoming. And dismount. When you don't fit the salad aesthetic, but you try anyway. Cockatoo taste test. Goldfish not impressed. Blocks versus Bunny. Bunny wins. And our...
Tiny pizza thief.
Achoo! Bless you.
Uh-oh.
Busted.
What are you doing in there, buddy?
Oh my god!
You stole the whole baguette.
It looks like you have a bread nose.
That's a good look for you, sir. Achoo!
You sneezed flour!
Careful! Oh no, he's taking it again.
Sharing is caring, guys. Bless you. Hey, no splashing the tabby. She's giving him a little spa treatment first. Look at that patience. Forehead bump. Approved. And there it is. Cat saddle secured. He doesn't even mind. Best friends on a snowy afternoon. Oh, bless you. You're okay, little one.
And there goes the plant. Cool. Faucet's on. Great. Cabinet rating. Plate down. Fish harassment. Classic. Zoomies. And of course, yep, the TV. Apartment status. Ruined. And they're cute again.
Hey, little explorer. Yeah, that's a bubble. Brave kitten. Ready for a nap? Sweet dreams, tiny one. But how could we ever be
Just me, minding my own business. Boop. Manager mode activated. Me after answering one single email, trying to work from home, totally fine, no distractions at all. Brain at 3 a.m., relatable. Processing my entire life, and finally, when I'm done with responsibilities, launch.
No way. That cat's stopping traffic for them.
He's keeping watch like a little marshal.
Look at the kittens following.
Ducklings.
Yeah, ducklings. My bad. Still awesome.
Legend move, kitty.
Respect.
Absolute respect.
Easy there, buddy. Go ahead. Look at him. Like he owns the street. He kinda does.
Ready?
Ready, buddy?
Speed demon.
Oh, no.
Woohoo!
Look at him go.
Hi, Internet. Vroom, vroom.
Ramp time.
Nailed it. Safety
Beautiful
first.
landing.
Thank you, thank you. Ha ha. Peace